everyone. Last week in our reading, we read some stories about families, and you drew a picture of your family. This week, we're going to be talking about school. We're going to be talking about things that happen at school. So today, we're going to read Friends at School. This book has the illustrations are actual photographs of real boys and girls. So we're going to see some of the things that these boys and girls do together at school. We are friends at school. I am Ryan. I am Annie. We are Shane and Parker. I am Chris. I am Shelby. We are Molly and McKenna. And this is Mocha. Mocha lives at our school. She loves carrots. It's fun to feed her. Mocha likes company, so we keep her near us when we play. There's Mocha in the basket. Sam and Sarah also live at our school. They are African spur tortoises. They eat all kinds of greens. Every day there are special times when we can take Sam and Sarah out of their terrarium and hold them. There are lots of different things to do at our school. We talk on the telephone. We write letters and draw pictures. We play counting games with a friend. Our grocery store is always busy. Ellie and Tyson wait in line while Elliot makes change. Luca and Mario talk quietly together. Ellie puts on a puppet show and Molly waits for her turn. Nico reads a story to Ellie and Dash. Molly doesn't use a book to tell a story. She just makes one up as she goes along. Molly knows lots of songs and teaches them to us. Puzzles are fun. We like to do them on our own, but if a friend helps, that's fun too. Everyone likes playing in the water tub. Look at what's in the tub today. There's blue flubber and whales. Flubber feels cold and gooey when you squish it. Some days we put cornmeal or sand into the tub instead of water. Everyone has a job to do at cleanup time. Splash and scrub. Chris and Molly wash their hands with warm, soapy water at the sink. Snack time. We make moo shakes. Here's how we do it. We put strawberries, peeled bananas, 1 cup of orange juice, and 1 cup of milk into the blender. Don't forget to put the lid back on the container. Shane presses the button. Vroom! Chris pours some for everyone. It tastes good. Sometimes we get moo stashes from drinking moo shakes. At our school, we play outside all year round. Here are some things we like to do outside. Go fast or slow, forward, backward, high, and low on the swings. Make mud pies in the sandbox. We play on the slide. Ryan hears someone coming down the slide. Who can it be? It's Annie. We play a circle game together, or play one with a special friend. Our school goes on field trips. In the fall, we go to Happy Valley Pumpkin Farm. When we get back to school, we scoop out the pumpkin seeds and bake them. Sometimes we go by bus. We visit the fire station. Everyone likes painting on an easel, but painting the fence at school is much more fun. School time is over and it's time to go home. Shelby puts on her coat. Mara puts on her boots. Goodbye, everyone. We hope to see you soon. All right, those are some of the things they did at school. Think about, hopefully, when we get to come back to school, what are some things you would like to do? It might be something from the story. So think about some things you hope you get to do with your friends when we get to be back at school all together. All right? We'll read another story about school tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.